Welcome to Pig Island, where there's pigs on an island.
Okay, quick pit stop in 7-Eleven because we had breakfast, but it's coming up to 12 o'clock now and we don't know what the food situation is like on a tiny little island like Koh Madsum. So, chocolate soya milk for 90 baht and a banana.
Let's go.
Okay, so we just made it to Dong Krip Pier on the south side of the island and we're going to go over there now and see if we can get a sweet deal on one of them long tail boats, you feel me?
I feel you.
Let's go.
Maybe you snorkeling Koh first,
Yeah.
and after we go to the Pig
Madsum.
Island, Madsum.
So we didn't actually need a hotel pickup because we've got our own moped, so we've just taken a lovely scenic drive down to the pier to find tickets for the boat trip today. And we feel like it has actually worked out quite cheap because with the tour operator we were getting quotes of about double what we just paid. So we've just paid 1,600 baht for a 4-hour trip. So we think it's a pretty good deal. And we're going to be leaving it in about 5 minutes.
I tried talking her down to about 1,200 but she wasn't having it.
No, it's fair enough. I think we've got a really good deal here. And it's a private boat. Winning!
I haven't been on a long tail boat for quite a long time. Well, I mean, it was about a week and a half, but for us, that's quite a while.
Amazing. I love being on these boats. They're so cool. Oh, hello everybody from the Gulf of Thailand. We are enjoying ourselves here, floating around in our life jackets. The water here is really deep. There's loads of fish.
No!
Oh, baby. There's so many fish
There's
here.
a gang of stripy fish beneath.
There are so many. Whoa. I don't mind fish, but it is just a bit like when so many come at once.
Why are we even snorkeling if you're not particularly fond of fish?
I don't mind fish. I don't mind them, but it does just make me scream a little bit sometimes. I prefer them when I'm in the water, like underneath.
They tend to just dodge you anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but there's something a little bit creepy about fish, I find, personally.
I'm
but
sure most people agree.
they're very majestic and cute.
Alright, you're going to do some snorkeling. Do you know what I find the worst part about these life jackets is that the black stringy thing keeps tickling my leg and I keep thinking it's some kind of like huge sea life animal. So we've just got off the boat from being in Koh Tan. We've just got to Koh Madsum. Oh my gosh, look at this place. This looks like an absolute paradise.
Again.
This sand is so powdery white. So when you arrive on Koh Madsum, you have to pay 50 baht per person. But they do actually give you a fresh cold bottle of water as well included in that price, which is really, really well needed actually.
Powdery sand is great and all, but this is what we really came for. Hello, buddy.
Hello.
Hello. Oh,
Sounds like you in the morning.
what's that?
Be careful you. Come on.
It's lunchtime.
I think these are some of the best fed pigs in the world here. There's a reason why they're all so big. When they know they're just going to keep getting more and more from tourists like us.
And they're all really fat anyway.
They're huge.
We'd do it a bit less, I think.
They're huge. Look at this guy. That guy at the back. He's eating all the pies. There's a bit of a domestic going on. Oh, you sorted it out, have you? Sorted out your differences?
Did your wife win? Happy wife, happy life.
We've got a chicken that's come to join the party.
Hi. How's it going? What's happening? Right, so we are going to buy some fruit and vegetables and feed the piggies. Should we feed some piggies?
Alright.
We got some leaves.
What is it?
ผักบุ้ง you know?
Papung.
ผักบุ้ง in the Thailand.
Okay.
We eat it.
You eat it as well? Okay, cool.
Yeah, ผักบุ้ง
It looks a bit like basil.
ทีนี้เอา
Wait a minute.
ย่างมะพร้าวเล่นกับมะพร้าวเนื้อเอาไปดู
He's a fussy one. We've got a fussy one. Oh, don't you steal from your sister? You guys ate that quick. You got more there, don't be greedy.
Why am I so excited to feed a pig? I got some vegetables. I think I gave that one already. Oh, you got it? Good. Yummy. Oh.
Jeez, did you chew it at all?
Hey, I mean, this is really cute, but you can have one each. Yeah. Good day at the beach. Yeah? Did you catch a tan? Hope you used some sunblock. So guys, the piggies seem to stay in this little area where the food is. Funny that. So we are just going to explore some more of the island. Look at this, seriously. Unbelievable. I think I already said before, but this sand is so powdery and white. The sky is blue and the temperature is rising. It feels like 40 degrees Celsius, which is why I'm sweating so much as always. But yeah, we're just gonna have a little walk around and explore. This is cute. Aww.
I cannot believe how, I have to say it again, beautiful this island is. It's got to be one of the best places in Thailand, yeah.
Breathtaking. Oh, doggos. Hi, doggos. We had a really nice walk all the way along the beach, and it feels like your own private island. There's nobody down there at all. But we're just walking back through and we might get something to eat. Feeling a little bit peckish now. You hungry?
So hungry.
To see if we can get something to eat. And something cold and refreshing to drink. Scorching.
Hello.
What a remarkable place for a spot of lunch and a refreshing cold beverage.
Just what we needed. So hot here today.
And it's so quiet. I thought there'd be a lot more tourists here, but it's really not.
No, it's really chill. Everyone's just sit back, relax, enjoying the views, enjoying the weather, enjoying the pigs. It's lovely. And we have just ordered some lunch. We've got some vegetable spring rolls and vegetable fried rice on the way.
Those clouds are looking rather ominous, don't you think?
I think. Yummy, yummy. Thank you.
Right, vegetarian.
Nice.
No eggs, no chicken, no.
No eggs, no chicken, no nothing.
No pork. Thank
Kop kum
you.
kap.
Right, let's dig in.
Ha!
Bring those first. Oh, they're hot.
Eat a hat.
They're hot.
I should put it in your mouth. That's a good idea. How's that going for you?
Mmm.
You've got a mouth of like ash or something.
I'd do anything for the spring rolls. Mmm. There's some good spring rolls. I'm going to turn into one of these.
They're too hot.
Ooh, spicy.
What's in the soy sauce?
That sweet chili sauce is spicy.
It's good that they've got a restaurant there, and it's not overpriced at all, considering it's literally got the monopoly. There's no other restaurants on this tiny little island.
I would say it's a little bit more pricey, but it's not ridiculous.
Not extortionate.
No.
Not extortionate.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you.
Right, our time here is done. Time to get back on the boat to Samui.
Every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on.
Okay, kop kum kap, my friend. Kop kum kap.
Thank you.
Quite a few negative reviews about Koh Madsum. I'm not entirely sure why. They just say that there's not enough to do there, not enough pigs.
You don't even need a lot to do there because the whole place speaks for itself. All you need to do is just take in the surroundings, enjoy the pigs. There was quite a lot.
Yeah.
We only thought there'd be a few, like a handful, but there was like 15.
15 at least, I'd
At
say,
least.
yeah. All having a lot of fun.
And the scenery was just beautiful. Couldn't believe it, to be honest.
Yeah, definitely worth it.
If you're in Koh Samui, make sure you go there. Don't miss it.
But there's one more place we want to check out today.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're
So we got back on our bike at Krongthut Pier and then drove down to Lamai Beach, which is on the way to our accommodation, to see something called the Grandmother and Grandfather Rocks, or the Grandfather Mother Rocks. Grandfather, Grandmother Rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is that. Now, I know what you're thinking. That rock looks a lot like the manual gear shifter on a BMW 3 Series. And you'd be right. However, a quick Google map search would prove that that is in fact incorrect. It appears to be a storied natural rock formations known for bearing a resemblance to male and female genitalia.
Okay.
Either way, it's a spectacular erection on nature's behalf.
Could say that. And on that note, thank you for watching today's video. Give it a like if you did, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos, and we'll see you in the next adventure.
Bye!